Okay, so here we're showing a short video on the RDZ-100 Paper Jogger and Aerator. So either can be put on individually. There's the aerator just there, adjustable amount of air, and the jogger just there, so you can adjust the strength of the jog. Very simple machine to use. So paper, not really knocked up, throw it in there, turn them both on, and that's running air through the sheet and jogging it. It's putting negative ions in the sheet, so if you've got a static problem with digital print, then this should eliminate it. You can give it more air, more jog. Turn them both down. And you can see that's all nicely jogged up now, ready for the next operation.